keeping the film rolling, and we head to Toronto, and this is called Phantomfest. So this is the second year the guys have done the festival, and yeah, I got there on Friday and pitched up in the dark. We had to find my tent. Luckily I had some tour guides. So the next morning I woke up and I thought, what can I do today? I'm actually going to use my drone. Here it is. It's got a yellow skin on it so the birds don't attack it. And as you can see, the woods look a bit more familiar in the daytime rather than last night. We got going on, boys?
We got the outdoor shower.
Oh, outdoor shower.
There you go.
Fresh.
Somebody was walking by. I was thinking we got the espresso machine with the pods.
Oh yes. We
just made a nice French press.
Yeah.
Coffee too. How is? Oh, you haven't had it yet?
Yeah, I haven't tried it yet. It's there. It's brewing though. But yeah, just who are you guys and what's your handles?
Well, this is my buddy Davey. Yes. He's the famous one. Very. He's blowing up. Right? I'm just a DJ named D-Rock. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the coffee.
He wants me to wear a white dress, and
right.
I wear only black things. So this is malicious compliance. I will wear the white dress.
Right.
But I will trash it.
What are you doing here?
Well, this is art by Alex Bartosik in the fucking Yukon. She's an iridescent lady, and now I am too.
Yes, Mr. Bike Man, give us a wave. Hot dog making. We got Ryan on duties.
Chef Blair and our good looking.
Yeah. What's on today's menu?
So we got the all beef 12 ounce Schneiders hot dog, all beef. We don't deal with the pork. And then we got these immaculate President's Choice Angus beef hamburgers, slowly cooked. You know, keep the juices nicely seared. 165 temperature. No E. coli food poisoning here.
Organic cheese slices. Space food.
It's all about the craft, baby.
All about the craft, baby.
That's a big matchstick. Takeem, what is it?
Big matchstick. Be careful, kids.
Sauce that changes flavors like a Willy Wonka candy. Amazon, and it's called Jolt sauce because it gives you a jolt, and I'm Jolt. And I'm about to take you on a magical journey called the Guided Flavor Journey, where I'm going to describe to you what you're tasting as you taste my sauce.
Wow.
Right, goes mouth full. The heat drops very quickly. It doesn't build or linger. Now it's going to change flavors 8 times.
I taste the vinegar.
Now it's going to change flavors 8 times over the next 30 seconds as the heat and the vinegar are swapping places as being the dominant flavor. Close your eyes, sit in silence, and I'll let you know when to open your eyes. Enjoy the ride.
So I didn't know what to expect coming here. 4 days with just my clothes, but the guys have really looked after me. They got me a pop-up tent, and the sun's coming down. I've really had a good time, and thanks to Wiley Coyote, he's been looking after me. Even gave me some hand warmers, look, for when it got cold at night. As you can see, I'm going to make my way back to the festival. The first night I got lost because if you notice these lights here, they were on, and then I think the generator ran out, so I lost my bearings and ended up in the woods. Yeah, it was pretty fun, not going to lie. Also, these frocks, what you see, or dresses, whatever they're called, nighties, undergarments, led the way.
left. He'll write the script of Jarvis type of shit.
What you got there?
Bro, this is, you can't hold this and smoke it, right?
Hey, what do you have there? No. What do you have there?
What do I have here?
You're meant to be doing some advertising.
This is what I call my standard business joint.
You need to open your mouth.
What, you want me to sell you on that big joint?
In the E-Raw.
I'll sell you on that big joint.
It looks like a didgeridoo.
You want some? And do. I'm gonna work on that.
Bro.
What we got there, Ryan?
What's going on? This is my Phantomfest Mad Hatter creation. Live moss. Nice little variety of moss. We got this moss here. We got some purple moss. Some coral moss. And then this deep green. And then our feathered friends. So Phantomfest last year, the theme was feathered friends. So this is my contribution and my my take on feathered friends.
Yeah.
In hat form. Styling.
You blend in with the scenery.
You send me a video, I'll send you a video. Actually, you can send that to me.
Oh my
And
god,
I'll
I'm
say,
at Coachella.
my guest videographer.
So it's the final night of Phantomfest. Been an awesome few days in the woods. As you can see, the sun's setting. Niff and Barato and Baroness is a DJ now, so I'm just going to head up to the main stage. Throughout the wilderness.
Sunday fun day.
Bored.
Okay, guys.
Seatbelts.
Are you ready for a ride?
Seatbelts. Safety six.
What is his name? What's his name? Jimmy. Hey. What?
You want me to look at the camera?
Not really, but you can kind of wave through the window. Hey.
Or lazy.
Go.
Seems to kind of I'd kill myself.
You alright? Nike Pro. And there we go then, that concludes Phantomfest 24. Thanks to Baroness, Takeen, Tyler Hill, Wiley Coyote and the rest of the guys. And you're probably wondering, where is the drone footage? So let's chop some in here.
Stars in a clear night sky.
So that's it, Phantomfest 24. Tyler Hill, the crew looked after me. Now to the airport to Toronto. Wrong, I'm in Toronto. And one final message from Mr. M. No, you ready now?
Yes, let's do this. Brothers and sisters, this is Mr. M for Marvelous. I feel marvelous. I want to make everything marvelous by sharing purity.
There we go.
Pure.
My man.
You have to
Top
be
man.
that.
Good old immature fashion. What do you do in airports when you're bored and waiting? You get a coffee and grab a label.